Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove other devices from your Amazon account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.amazon.com and hit enter. After the home page of Amazon opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll see this Hello Your Name Accounts and Lists option. Go ahead and hover over it, which will give you a menu. Now on this menu, find this Content and Devices option and click on it. Once you click on the Content and Devices option, you'll be guided to another page. Now to view the devices which have logged into your Amazon account, click on this Devices option on the top menu of your screen. Once you click on the devices option, the devices where your Amazon accounts have been used will be shown. Now to remove a device, click on one of these options or the devices that have been shown on your screen, which will guide you to another page, and simply click on this deregister option, which will show you a dialog box where you'll have to click on this deregister option again. As you can see on my screen, the device has been removed or deregistered. I hope this video helped you to remove devices from your Amazon account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.